Hey, Sarah. How's your language learning journey going?
Hi, Alex. It's been quite a ride, but I'm making progress. I wanted to ask you something. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. English is my first language, actually. Why do you ask?
I have been trying to improve my English skills, and I thought it would be great to practice with a native speaker like you.
That's a fantastic idea. I'd be more than happy to help. We can chat regularly, and I can give you some tips to boost your language abilities.
That would be wonderful. Sometimes I struggle with pronunciation and understanding native speakers. It would be beneficial to have conversations with someone like you.
Absolutely. Don't worry about mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Thanks for being so supportive. English seems like a challenging language, but I'm determined to become fluent.
You have got the right attitude, Sarah. Keep practicing, read English books, watch movies, and immerse yourself in the language. It'll make a huge difference.
I will definitely follow your advice. By the way, do you have any favorite resources or language learning apps?
Yes, there are plenty of great apps out there like Duolingo and Memrise. I can share a list of my favorites with you later.
That would be awesome. Thanks, Alex. I'm looking forward to our English practice sessions.
You are welcome, Sarah. We will have a lot of fun while you improve your English skills. Let's start right away. How about we have a short conversation in English to kick things off?
Sounds perfect. Let's do it.